Scarves? Laughed Thomas. That's what you need, Percy. That's the one.
A new engine had arrived.
And for the first time in years, he smiled as he dozed in the sun.
Then I'll make them stop. I can do that whenever I like.
And Diesel shunted 5 trucks together. Then it was too late.
Don't worry, whistled Toby. The station's nearly finished.
Now he's stuck.
I must catch Toad. I must.
Now the little engine is as happy as can be.
And out chuffed a dirty, grimy steam truck.
Duck trundled sadly away. What a silly engine I am! And Thomas began to cry.